What is up with you guys? Jaden Alagana and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, yes, I have here the iPhone 17. I actually did an unboxing already for the iPhone 17 Pro. And then I did a review after unboxing. This is iPhone 17 guys. Yes, ano lang siya, yung 2 cameras. Actually yung iPhone 17 series, ano siya, meron siyang iPhone 17, meron siyang iPhone 17 Air, merong iPhone 17 Pro, and then iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I'm not mistaken, the iPhone 17 is actually like the cheapest among all the iPhone 17 series. So ito, color purple siya. Yung pagka-purple, is it purple or violet? I think purple because it's kinda light, no? Correct me if I'm wrong guys. Kasi this is actually like a plan lang. Plan siya sa Smart, kaya hindi kagaya nung dun sa iPhone 17 Pro. Meron kasi yung details dito sa likod. Ayan o. iPhone, di ba? iPhone 17 Pro, 256 gigabytes, deep blue. Ganun siya, di ba? But yung mga units or mga iPhones na, alam mo yon, galing sa plan, like smart na plan and all that stuff, ganyan lang yung details. So, iPhone 17. So, I'm not sure if it's like the exact color, pero research ko na lang rin mamaya. Tapos balikan ko kayo. This is 256 gigabytes as well. Yes guys, iPhone 17. Alam nyo na guys, hindi rin to akin. Kagaya ng iPhone 17 Pro. This is not mine. This is my co-teachers as well. Thank you, Teacher Rester. Shout out. Thank you for allowing me to use your iPhone for a content in my YouTube channel. Yes guys, if you're interested to this kind of content, you guys know what to do. Please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're here for quite some time now, welcome back. In my YouTube channel, I'm doing reviews, reactions, and also vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will appreciate if you will click that subscribe button there, guys. Yes, so this is the iPhone 17. Sana natin siya. This is in, search ko na guys, the color pala is not purple. Yes, the color is actually lavender. Yes, the iPhone 17 series, lavender, and then 256 gigabytes. If I'm not mistaken, the 256 gigabytes, yun na yung smallest na memory sa iPhone 17 series. Kasi I remember sa mga iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, yung 256 gigabytes, isa pa yan sa pinakamalaki. Yeah, but right now, sa iPhone 17 series, ito na yung pinaka mababa, no, na memory, which is ako, I'm actually goods naman with the 256 gigabytes. So again guys, the price of iPhone 17, wala kasi dito. 'Di ba dun sa iPhone 17 Pro, nasa likod yung details niya, kung ano yung memory, anong color, and then how much is the total price, ganyan. But ito kasi, hindi kasi ito binili talaga sa mismong Apple. This is actually plan. Ibig sabihin, yung Smart mismo yung nagbigay nito, ganun. Pero kung i-research natin, the pricing is actually, it's around 59,660. Which is kinda, you know, very far from the price of 17 Pro. Kasi si 17 Pro nasa 89,660. So itong 17 lang, nasa 59,660 siya. More or less nasa 60,000. Still very different. I mean, malayo talaga siya. Kasi parang it's almost 30,000 difference ng 17 series siya ka 17 Pro. Which is understandable naman kasi masyadong upgraded na rin talaga or ibang level na rin si Pro series. The 17 Pro, I mean. So, sige, sobrang dami ko nang sinabi. Ito muna, tatahimik muna ako. Enjoy the unboxing, guys. It's actually super pretty. Kaya lang para sa akin yung lavender na color, sobra siyang pambabae. Alam mo yung super duper pambabae. Ito siya. Again, yung frustrating lang sa akin personally as a customer. Yung magbabayad ka na malaki pero what's in the box of the new iPhone, ito lang, literal na yung charging cable. Tapos yung box. Tapos ito na mismo, yung unit. Diba parang you paid like 60,000 for this, for an iPhone 17. And then only to get the charging cable and then this one. Diba parang masyado siyang, yun na ba yun? But look at the beauty of the lavender. Sobrang ganda niya for me. Sobrang ganda niya. Pero meron ako nakita na green nitong 17. As in, sobrang ganda rin. Yung green na color, it's super duper ganda, I swear. Para sa akin, kung ako ha, mas prefer ko yung green na color. Ewan ko lang kung makikita niyo yun. But this one is the purple. Maganda rin naman siya. Compare natin. O, diba? Parang saktong-sakto kung ano yun sa picture, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So, it's so ganda. In fairness, super duper ganda. So, ito siya. Meron na siyang screen protector kasi syempre nagamit na siya. So, open na natin siya. Sharon, look at the details. It's so pretty. Right? Okay. So for a 60,000, 59,000 and then iPhone 17 na. Okay na rin naman. Pero hindi kasi ko fan talaga ng mga anything violet na color. Mas fan ako ng ayan. O di ba? Andito na yung kanyang mukha. Ito na yung mukha ng aking co-teacher. Anyway, ngayon ko lang na-realize na meron na ring mga ganyan yung 17 series, no? Hindi ko to nagawa dun sa 17 Pro eh. Pero pag pinindot mo to, actually, dapat ano siya. Pag pinindot mo tong part na to, tingnan natin kailangan pa rin ng key kasi gusto ko sana sa inyong pakita yung ito, yung flashlight niya gumagana talaga siya. Pero yung camera, sabi nung co-work ko, pagka pinindot mo to, gagana naman dito. Pero yeah, visual intelligence kasi AI na ngayon eh. So even yung camera mas protected na. Napansin nyo ba? But with the previous iPhones kasi hindi. Talagang mabubuksan mo yung camera sa gilid. Hello Teacher Joy. Thank you so much for the pahiram ng iPhone. Ito palang unique feature ng iPhone 17 series. Actually not unique kasi meron na to kay 15 pa lang. The Dynamic Island, which I mean personally, I don't see naman the relevance of it, no. I mean, it's just okay. But it's not, yung gusto mo magkaroon ng bagong iPhone just for that. But in terms of look at that, I will do a separate video na lang for the review. Like for the price, for the color options. Although nabanggit ko na kanina which color I prefer for the iPhone 17 series. Pero siguro with the build design, the quality, the camera, and other aspects pa, siguro I will try to have a separate video na lang. But it's so pretty actually. It's super duper pretty. I actually like it. Maganda talaga siya. Yun, no? Separate video na lang siguro yun. So if you're interested to know if iPhone 17 is actually worth it this 2026 or kahit 2027 pa, wait for that video. I'll try to have a discussion, a thorough discussion of is it still worth it this 2026 or 2027, no? Sa ibang video ko na lang siya gagawin. But that's all for the unboxing of the iPhone 17. Look at how pretty. I actually like it naman, the lavender. The problem lang is I feel like it's very feminine. So, para sa lalaki, feeling ko lavender is not the best option for you. You can go for the green. Actually, yung green, kahit light lang yung color niya, for some reason, parang uubra naman siya sa babae. Ewan ko lang, nakita ko na rin naman yung blue niya. Yung blue rin naman maganda. Siguro, yun, separate discussion na lang for that. But, yeah, that's all for this video. It's like literally just an unboxing of the iPhone 17. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed pa to my channel, click that subscribe button there. Help me reach 30,000 subscribers. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.